In front of me is PocoPad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Privacy Protection. Now you need to hit All Permissions and tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage, like microphone. Then select one of your apps, and finally click on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. But you can also select the all permissions here and operate all of those, only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!